Hi guys, we are making elderberry syrup. I have a bag. I'll show you. I should have kept it over here. This giant bag of organic elderberries from Frontier Co-op. So we did 1 cup of dried elderberries to 5 cups of water. We let the water boil and then poured the elderberries in and let it simmer on low for 40 minutes, but we did it a little bit extra.
Longer.
Yeah. Now we're gonna pour it in back into this cup
Through a sieve.
through a
sieve.
Sifter.
Call it a sieve. A sieve.
Through a sieve.
I'll just pour it.
Yeah, please, because I'm scared. I don't want to have my shirt.
Oh my god, Dina.
What was I doing with the spoon?
You were gonna mush the elderberries into the sieve. The sieve, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Sifter. That's a lot of elderberries. I'm gonna juice them.
Let's hope we didn't get any in there.
So then,
So we're gonna dump this all back in here.
just kidding. Like I said, I'm a
As I'm dying now.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Okay. I shouldn't touch anything.
Do you want to hold the sieve?
I don't know, because I tried. So elderberry syrup, you're going to use it daily to support your immune system. Go look it up because I was just reading some of the other amazing reasons
re-sieve that back into this one to make sure.
you use it. Into what?
I'm saying I can redo it through here.
Alright, I'm going to be done. Let's just see. She's worried there's elderberries in there. I don't think there are.
Even if there are, we'll get them out.
Oh,
I guess.
no, because we're going to put honey in it. No, there's none. We're good.
We're good.
I got them because they smushed them.
Okay.
So go look up the properties of elderberry syrup using it, whatever. Now we're going to do just to the water. You separate the elderberries, obviously, as you just saw us do 50 times. We're going to add 8 ounces or 1 cup of honey. Guys, we were not prepared. We've literally been sitting here for an hour.
We really weren't. 1/3 and 2/3, but I'm gonna coat them with olive oil so the honey slides out.
Christmas trees.
Guys, if you're ever cooking with honey,
Don't
mind the soccer games happening in my backyard if
You
you can
can't
hear
see
them
it.
screaming.
So we're going to use this. It ended up being 2 cups after it's boiled of water. We're going to use 1 cup and put it in this jar to save the syrup. And you take a tablespoon daily. You can add it to a smoothie. Just take it like it's a cough syrup. You can add it to yogurt. This is Brian.
He's crawling underneath.
And then we're also going to make gummies for the kids.
I just took some olive oil and put it on a paper towel, and I'm rubbing it in the measuring cup so the honey doesn't stick.
Here. Oh, I shouldn't be doing things.
I shouldn't be living life.
This whole thing?
Yeah, girl, that's
Oh,
it.
well, I just used it all then. I should have just squirted the whole bottle.
Well, that doesn't make sense.
Liars. This said it was 12 ounces.
Lies. Good
Maybe we'll
enough.
get 2 after.
That's 1/3, and that's
Yeah, look at there's a lot in here.
that's 2/3, so it makes sense.
So we're going to mix that in, and then 1 cup will go in this giant jar. But obviously I have a ton of elderberries left, so I can make more. And then we're going to use 1 cup and add 3 tablespoons of gelatin to it, and then put it in our molds and leave it in the fridge.
And the gelatin companies don't like to tell you how much is in a package, so we have to measure
it's
it.
really weird, so we actually have to measure it.
Which is
You can also add Young Living essential oils to this. You can add orange, lemon, leaves to boost your immune system. But for kids, you want to be careful. You don't want to give them too much. And if you're pregnant, you can't have thieves. So, which I'm not, but and neither is she. I don't know. But we're still not going to add it this time because we use those things daily anyways.
So 1 is just about a
Let me
tablespoon.
put
should we just
One
do
cup
3
of this.
packets? So
Oh.
it'll be close enough.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so one thing
One
is...
thing is about a tablespoon.
This isn't just syrup.
Yeah, it is.
I thought it was going to be like super thick. No life.
Okay,
So
wing it.
this is going to go in our fridge, and we'll take a tablespoon of this every day. It's great for the flu. It's great for your immune system. Great for your respiratory system. Benefits for diabetics. People. There's a lot of things.
Life.
So you need 3 tablespoons for 1 cup. And just so you know, because it doesn't say on the box, but each packet is
It's a cup and a half.
1 mother freaker.
It'll just be a little less gelatin.
So I have more.
Oh, so we'll just do
Let's see.
a half of the other one.
Yeah. Mix
We might as well just do all 4 of them.
It's like staying at the top. It's so gross.
I don't know how to measure a half of a packet.
That's
Good enough. Good enough.
All right. So I got these molds, which we're probably going to need both of them, on Amazon. And I got the little gummy bears, but they're kind of hard
To get out.
to get out. I'm sure you have a trick. But there's all different kinds. Like,
Do you know what I do?
oil it up. I don't know.
No.
I don't know.
When I do it, I just hold them and go like this and pop
Oh,
them
and pop 'em
inside out.
So we bought these because I made Thieves and Ningxia gummies,
Which are so good.
for my kids.
So good.
Maverick loves to drink Ningxia, but Jana does not, so we did the gummies. That's really it, you guys. It's super easy. Like, you could totally buy this at the store, but I think that bag, it's a pound of dried organic elderberries from Frontier Co-op, and it was $20.
But that'll last forever.
Yeah.
Do you want
I
to
don't know
whisk?
what you want to... I don't know. I don't do things.
I don't do things fancily.
So we're just going to put it in these molds now and leave them in the fridge until they get...
Dude, there's still chunks of gelatin.
Ugh, I hate Jell-O.
Well, this isn't like super hot anymore either.
Oh, that's probably why. Well, it had to be cool to do it.
Oh, it did. Okay.
So that was super easy.
Do you have the thing?
What? Nope.
I have pipettes. Do you
You
want me
would
to
have
go get
pipettes.
them? Fuck yeah. Sorry, guys. Sorry for that mouth.
Okay. Oh my god, why?
Meow. Pipettes just make life easier.
This silicone mold came with them, but I don't know where it is. Oh, we use them for...
A chunk of gelatin stuck to mine.
We
It's
use them
thickening up really fast.
for making...
Oh my gosh. I have a chunk stuck to
chapstick.
mine.
We made chapstick, and then I just couldn't get the coconut oil out of the pipette.
You just boil it.
I mean, that's a lot for me.
It's a lot for me to do on like a daily basis
On
in
a
a day
day.
of my life.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this video because I'm sure nobody wants to watch us.
Pipette elderberry syrup
Yeah.
into gummy bear molds.
But I have to finish this one first.
So guys,
Okay.
if you have questions, let us know.
Bye! Bye!